In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to redeem a code in Roblox on PC, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto your Roblox homepage and then going to the URL. Instead of /home, you're going to write /redeem, just like so. Once you go there, there is a box to actually redeem the code. Remember that there is this disclaimer right here, so just make sure that you are paying attention to that as well. Then you're just going to put in whatever code. I'm just going to put in something random, and then you check the box if this applies to you and redeem the code. Obviously, this is not a real code, so it's not going to be valid, but once you have the code, you can put it in there. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.